Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to create lookup relationship on objects in Salesforce. Lookup is a type of Salesforce relationship that connects two objects together without affecting any security and deletion properties. It forms loose bond relationship between parent and child object. A lookup relationship involves finding value of a field based on the value in another field from another object, that is parent object. Generally, lookup is mostly used in the case of commonly shared data between two objects. We can define lookup relationship between any objects, standard or custom. Here in this video, I am creating lookup relationship between two custom objects. So let's get started. Here I am choosing patient's object as parent object and hospital object as child object, as hospital's object also contains the list of patients. So as this is our child objects, let's create lookup on hospital object. Click on setup. You can find objects from quick find box or else scroll down. Under build, select create and click on objects. Here we can see a list of custom objects. Select your child object, scroll down. Under custom fields and relationships, click on new to create new field with lookup relationship. As we are creating lookup relationship, choose lookup relationship, then click on next. In the related to field, choose your parent objects to which you have to create lookup relationship. Here I am taking patient object as parent. Here it is. Click on next. Field label is automatically generated, so enter your desired field name. Here I am entering patient as my field name. Be sure to enter a valid field name and then click on next. After that, make sure that the field level security is visible for all your profiles and click on next. Then select your desired page layout and click on next. Lastly, add custom data list and click on save. Now we have successfully created lookup relationship in Salesforce. Here we can check patient field with the lookup relationship. So now let's check this lookup relationship. Let's check how this works. Open your child object or click on the tab. Click on your child object. Enter a new record into the child object. So click on new. Fill in all the details or only required fields. Here I am entering some duplicate values as this is just an example. Or else you can also leave those fields which are not required. Here we can observe patient field is created with lookup icon. So when we click on this icon, we are able to see the records from parent object. See, so we can, as I already said, lookup is used to find records from parent object. We can easily find already created records from the parent object. When we click on this, choose any record that is already present in the parent object. Here I am selecting Jerry and click on save. So our lookup is created. Thanks for watching.